What was the medieval three-field system? Imagine a farm where the land is divided into three parts, each playing a different role in growing food. This was the core idea behind the medieval three-field system. During the Middle Ages in Europe, farmers needed a way to grow enough food to support their villages and avoid bad harvests. They came up with this smart system to make farming more efficient and keep the soil healthy. Instead of planting on all the land every year, they split the land into three sections. One section was planted with winter crops like wheat, barley, or rye. These crops were grown in the colder months and harvested in early summer. The second section was used for spring crops such as oats, peas, or beans. These were planted after winter crops were harvested and gathered in late summer or early fall. The third section was left fallow, meaning it was not planted at all that year. This gave the soil time to recover nutrients naturally. This rotation meant only 1/3 of the land was left unused each year, unlike the older two-field system where half the land was fallow. The inclusion of legumes like peas and beans helped restore nitrogen to the soil, which made the land more fertile for future crops. Growing legumes also added protein to the diet of the people living on the manor. Because of this system, farmers could get to harvests per year, which meant more food and less chance of famine. The extra oats from spring crops could be used to feed horses, which were faster and stronger than oxen for plowing fields. This made farming quicker and more productive. To organize this system, land had to be carefully divided and shared among peasants working on the manor. They had to work together to plant, tend, and harvest the crops according to the rotation plan. This system fit well into the feudal structure, where the lord owned the land and peasants worked it. The three-field system helped the economy grow by increasing food supplies and making better use of land. It was especially useful in regions with a climate suitable for spring planting, like areas north of the Loire River and near the Alps. In short, the medieval three-field system was a clever way to grow more food, keep the soil healthy, and support larger communities. It was a major step forward in organizing farming during the Middle Ages and played a big role in the stability and growth of medieval society.